This is my review of this PowerBear extended battery for Samsung Galaxy S4 smartphone. I bought this battery from Amazon. I have used this battery for 2 weeks now and so far it is working well for me. I will start with some pictures of unboxing this product. The installation of the battery is fairly straightforward. It fits into the same battery location in the phone. The battery is thicker than the standard size battery and we have to use the bigger back cover that comes with the battery. The back cover fits on the phone quite well. It comes with the screen protector and also additional protective case. You can use the phone as it is only with the back cover, or you can add the protective case on top of the back cover. The protective case also fits quite well. The outer protective case also has raised edges for screen protection, so when you put the phone face down on flat surfaces like table, the screen does not touch the surface. I use it with the protective case and the phone is comfortable to hold and comfortable to use. We need to slightly adjust the way we press the buttons due to the protective case. Once we get used to it, it's not a problem. The bigger battery and bigger case makes the phone bigger and heavier as you may expect. So far, the overall benefit of having a high capacity battery has been well worth any inconvenience due to additional size and weight for me. The battery lasts about twice as long as the standard battery, which is what I expected from this battery. There is warranty information on the box. It says it comes with 24 months warranty. I registered the product in the website as advised in the instructions. You may know there are other batteries that can hold even more charge like this one on Amazon. I did not buy the higher capacity battery mainly because of the concern that it will be too heavy. But if your priority is to have even higher capacity battery, then that is something to consider as well. It also comes with this note asking to calibrate the battery. Basically, you need to fully charge the battery to 100% and then drain the battery to 0% and repeat the process 2 more times. I did the calibration as advised in the note. This is a battery with the charge capacity of 6000 mAh. I tried charging it with different chargers and here are the results I got. When I charged it with an adapter with output of 5.1 volts and 0.7 amp, it took about 6 hours to fully charge from 0% to 100%. This is when I was not using the phone. I also tried charging it with my power bank with the output of 5 volt and 2.4 amp. And it took 2 hours and 45 minutes to charge from 0% to 100%, also at a time when I was not using the phone. I have not experienced any overheating while charging or while using the phone with this battery. Here I tried fitting the phone with the protective case in my selfie stick. As you can see here, the phone is now thicker than what the selfie stick was designed for. Now, at least in my case, I'm still able to mount it to my selfie stick and use it on my selfie stick. The results may be different in other selfie sticks. That was my review of this PowerBear extended battery. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.